A Supreme Court of India bench led by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde today refused to entertain a petition by a senior district judge from Madhya Pradesh who had challenged the proceedings initiated against him by the High Court in relation to certain sexual harassment allegations made against him by a junior judicial officer after the judge in question had sent certain flirtatious messages on WhatsApp to the officer. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde maintained that the inquiry committee will conduct its inquiry against the senior district judge and that he may be acquitted at a later date. But as of now, he was the one who was convicted. Remarking on the merits of the case, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde stated that the judge was here walking on a very thin ice and that sexual harassment allegations cannot be brushed aside under the carpet. The petition was dismissed as withdrawn. However, all contentions related to the merits of the case was allowed to be kept open so that it could be agitated at an alternate forum. Supreme Court of India today refused to entertain a petition by a retired civil servant challenging the decision of the government to fix FASTags in all motor vehicles, essentially for renewing the fitness certificates and insurance by third parties. The petition in the Supreme Court primarily stated that there is a category of people who essentially use their vehicles for emergencies like buying groceries, etc., and that fitting of the FASTags in such vehicles should not be made mandatory. However, the Supreme Court of India bench led by Chief Justice of India noted that this issue should be first heard by the Delhi High Court and that the Supreme Court would have the benefit of the High Court's judgment in this case. The Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde-led bench today issued notice on a petition seeking direction to the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to hold a caste-wide census for the backward classes in 2021. The Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde-led bench tagged this matter with a pending petition and issued notice to the central government. Supreme Court of India today dismissed the contempt petition filed in relation to the killing of Tigress Avni in 2018. Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde informed the wildlife researcher and petitioner in person here, Sangeeta Dogra, that the state of Maharashtra has informed the Supreme Court that the killing of the Tigress Avni was carried out after the Supreme Court of India was convinced of the same by the authorities in Maharashtra that the tigress was indeed a man-eater. The Supreme Court clarified that it will not review its decision, which was taken way back in 2018, which led to the killing of Tigress Avni. There were also questions raised by Dogra regarding the celebrations that was carried out by the forest officials after the killing of the tigress. However, the Chief Justice of India clarified that the Maharashtra government has clarified, stating that it was only the villagers who celebrated and not the forest officials. Lastly, the Supreme Court of India asked Ms. Dogra to come back in a better case and probably before such a killing has taken place so that the court can indeed stop such an encounter. The court also went on to note that this was indeed a serious issue to consider. Well, that's all from Supreme Court today. Do stay tuned with Supreme Court today on Monday as well. And don't forget to like and share baronbench.com.